consideration. Jail door locking control system replacement.
Yes, sir, thank you. This is a request from the Lowndes County Sheriff's Office. The locking control system for one of the jail pods is not currently functioning properly and needs replacement. They received a quote for that replacement from DOS Technical Systems in the amount of $61,440.
Any questions?
Motion to approve the replacement of jail locking with the quote provided in the sheriff's office. Second.
All in favor? Business